My name's Brian Schneider. I'm the Assistant City Administrator with the City of Morgan's Point. Morgan's Point is a small city, about 2 square miles in the greater Houston area, adjacent to the city of LaPorte. And we have 350 residents here in the city. The main industry here in the city of Morgan's Point is the Barber's Cut Houston Ship Channel, part of the Port of Houston. And we have upwards of 6,000 commercial vehicles that travel in and out of the city on a daily basis. Permanent affixed sign that we had to take down every time we wanted to change the sign. It was a sign that had plastic letters, if you will, and it was very inconvenient to make changes with that sign. It took staff upwards of over a half hour to take them down and change them out on a weekly basis whenever we had a new meeting or community event. And so we had seen LED signs around in the area and thought that would be a much easier solution to promoting events here in the city. Emergency events and weather events it's very important to quickly communicate messages and information to residents, especially as it relates to weather. And an LED sign gives us the opportunity to quickly make changes to messages as we all know, weather events change very quickly as well. We found Advantage LED on the internet, and their website was very easy to access and gave all the contact information we needed to contact them directly. We chose Advantage LED over other LED vendors. For us, conveniently, they are very close to where we are. So in terms of servicing, we knew that if there was any issues with the sign, mechanically or electronically, they would be able to service the sign. But more importantly, I think it had to do with the staff, through the Advantage staff, working with them. They were very eager to earn our business. We ordered 2 signs from Advantage LED. We had a need to replace 2 existing signs, and having 2 signs was the best option for us in terms of advertising our meetings and special events. The sign is very easy to operate. I was concerned at first when we received the disc with the software on it. I immediately thought it was going to be very difficult to operate. Come to find out, once I loaded the software onto my computer, within a half hour to 45 minutes, I had learned how to use the software from start to finish, and it's very user-friendly and extremely easy to use. What we like most about having the LED sign is it's probably first and foremost exposure. It's the visibility to vehicular traffic. You can't miss the sign, and so anyone driving on our 2 main entry and exit points in the city naturally see the message. Secondly, it's more efficient for staff to use the LED sign versus our old method of a static standalone sign, because that took upwards of an hour or so to change messages whenever a new event came about. Our experience with Advantage LED has been wonderful. They've been easy to work with, from learning more about LED signs. In fact, staff went out of their way to educate us where other vendors were just telling us what we needed, but didn't tell us why we needed it. So that was very helpful. The purchase process was very easy. The sign was delivered actually sooner than what was told to us. Installation of the sign went according to directions. If other cities are looking to purchase an LED sign, I would recommend contacting Advantage LED.